Brown Bear, what do you see? By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? Quack, 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 quack. I see a blue horse looking at me. Quack, 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 quack. Blue horse, what do you see? Nay, nay. I see a green frog looking at me. Nay, nay. Green frog, what do you see? Ribbit, ribbit. I see a purple cat looking at me. Ribbit, ribbit. Purple cat, what do you see? Meow, meow. I see a white dog looking at me. Meow, meow. White dog, what do you see? Woof, woof. I see a black sheep looking at me. Woof, woof. Black sheep, what do you see? Bah, bah. I see a goldfish looking at me. Bah, bah. Goldfish, what do you see? Blap, blap. I see a teacher looking at me. Blap, blap. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bird, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see.